So let us continue with the questions on elasticity of demand. We have done a few. Let us carry on with it. Question number 5 talks about, according to geometric method, elasticity of demand at a point K is what? This is point K on a downward sloping demand curve. What is the value of elasticity of demand at point K? The options given to us are less elastic, higher elasticity, unitary elasticity, perfect elasticity. Now we have to measure the distance from this point to this point and then from this point to this point. Let us say this point is point A and this point is point B. So elasticity at point K will be equal to Ka upon Kb. This lower segment of the demand curve divided by upper segment of the demand curve. According to this, since the lower segment is less as compared to upper segment, naturally the value will be less. Hence, it will be a case of less elastic demand. Option A is the correct answer. I hope it is clear to you all. Next question, price elasticity of demand of a good is -3. It shows that, what are the options? A, when price falls by 1%, demand rises by 3%. Second option, when price rises by 1%, demand falls by 3%. Third option, either A or B. And last option is neither A nor B. In this case, we are talking about the change in quantity demanded as a result of a change in price, or change in price as a result of change in quantity demanded. That is why when your value of price elasticity is equal to -3, we will have this as the right answer. That is either A or B. A was when price falls by 1%, demand rises by 3%. B option says when price rises by 1%, demand falls by 3%. So since there is a relationship between price of the commodity and its quantity demanded, we have to see that either A option may be applicable or B option is applicable, then you get this result. Let us now start with very short answer questions. First one, give the formula of measuring price elasticity of demand. I have given this answer right here. You have the formula for calculating elasticity of demand as percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Of course, the further elaborations we'll do on other questions. Next question for very short answer is, give the formula for measuring price elasticity of demand according to geometric or graphic method. Children, please remember that geometric method is also called as graphic method because it is made with the help of a diagram. The formula here, or the answer, is lower segment of the demand curve upon upper segment of the demand curve. Since we have already done questions on geometric method and this one is also here right in front of you. So lower segment of demand curve divided by upper segment of demand curve. I have written it for your benefit also. This is the answer. Lower segment of demand curve divided by upper segment of demand curve. Then question number 3 here is, how is price related to horizontal straight line? If you have a horizontal straight line, then what will be the elasticity? Elasticity in this case, when you have a horizontal straight line, will be equal to infinity because there is no change in price. We are saying that there should be a change in price, but when there is no change in price, at the same price, the consumers may demand OQ or OQ1, but there is a change in quantity demanded. In such a situation, elasticity will be equal to infinity. The next question, how is price related to vertical straight line demand curve? I made the vertical straight line demand curve for your benefit. So this is the OP is the price and OQ will be the quantity demanded. Price rises to OP1, still OQ is demanded. Price falls to OP2, still OQ is being demanded. Hence, in this case, since there is no change in quantity demanded despite of a change in price, elasticity of demand is equal to 0. The answer in this case is elasticity of demand is equal to 0. So when there is a vertical straight line demand curve, elasticity of demand is equal to 0 since there is no change in quantity demanded. No matter whatever be the price, same quantity will be demanded. Please like and subscribe my channel and keep viewing it. I shall be posting more questions and other videos. Thank you.